Hey, good day, folks. This is another S Group daily review video number 38 here, and just got a notification of our daily earnings today. As you see, the daily income deposit, the percentage today is 0.332%, a little lower than normal, but still made a decent $34.48 on my money that I have invested. The 14,165. That's Forex investment, guys. So if you guys have been following my channel, you can see that my account has really grown. I think my first video I was at, my overall income was like around 9,000. That's the total money that I've earned. So as you can see, it's now 10,445, guys, and my account's growing slowly but surely, day by day. So I initially started this account, in case you guys don't know, back in October of 2020, and basically I just been compounding my earnings since then, except for the one withdrawal I did last week. That was my very first withdrawal. If you guys missed it, just go check my channel videos, and you can see the withdrawal I did. I withdrew 445 US dollars. Did the whole process, recorded the whole process, went to my checking account. I was able to get the money. I was able to pay a couple bills I needed to pay. So it was great, guys. So I'm thinking what I'm going to do is starting in either August or September, every 2 weeks, I'm going to do a withdrawal. Start enjoying the money that I've made here in the Forex investment. So if you guys are new to S Group, I also uploaded a complete video tutorial and explanation of the company S Group. Basically the history of the company, how everything works, the owners of the company, and so you guys can check that in the video log that I have in my my YouTube. Just click on my YouTube ID and then go underneath videos, and it'll be there in the history, guys, of all my videos. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below so you can be updated, and you can kind of follow all my earning videos that I make, and also my withdrawal videos, guys. So as you see, for now I just have money invested in Forex. I don't have anything invested in liquidity mining, S pharmaceutical, or SIPO. I will be getting into that in the probably next year, I would say. I'm going to start putting some of my earnings in there and let that grow. And yeah, guys, it's just earning money and reinvesting it and growing my account. I'm still in that phase. A lot of people, a couple of my higher ups, they're actually already doing withdrawals. They do like 2 or 3 a month. So I'm not really doing that right now. I'm just growing my account. And yeah, you guys, I know you guys have a bunch of questions. Don't hesitate to email me. My email address is in the description down below. If you expand the description, you will see my email address. Shoot me an email. Let me know where you're from and what questions you have. I'll be more than happy to answer those questions. My email goes right to my cell phone, so I'll get back at you real quick, and we can have a conversation, even a phone conversation if you want. I've been with the company for almost 2 years, so I've been here since basically almost the beginning, when it was just Forex investment. Now they've expanded to, as you see there, liquidity mining, S pharmaceutical, and SIPO. Those are different areas of the company you can invest your money and just have it grow on autopilot, guys. So my goal, of course, is to keep it going, keep it growing until I get maybe till around, let's see here, I'm at this level right now. Of course, I'll be hitting the 25,000 mark probably maybe the end of the year, early next year, and then the $50,000 mark probably by Christmas of next year, which would be in about a year and a half or so. It's going to go a little slower than normal, because I would be taking some of the money out, enjoying it, reinvesting the other bit. But once I get at the $50,000 level, guys, I'm probably just going to leave it here and just let the system earn me money on autopilot, which would be about 4 or 5 grand a month US. And yeah, I'll just use that to pay my bills and live my life. And I'm kind of excited about that, guys. So yeah, you can all be a part of this as well, guys. Most people start out at the first 2 levels to kind of test out the system, see how things go. Don't forget, you can click on the sign up link down below in the video description, and you can get into the back office, kind of look around, maybe do a small investment to start out, and then kind of build up from there, which is what I did. So yeah, I want to thank you guys for looking at this 5-minute daily review video. I'll see you guys in the next video. All right, take care. And don't forget to subscribe down below. Click the subscription button so you can subscribe to my channel. Take care.